John wants to make some small cakes. He finds a recipe that says he needs 360 grams of flour to make 15 small cakes. John has 0.85 kilograms of flour. He wants to work out how much flour he would need to make 38 small cakes using the information given in the recipe. Does John have enough flour, according to this recipe, to make 38 small cakes? The first step is for 360 grams of flour are needed for 15 small cakes. So therefore, if either you could approach this question differently as well, but then what I did is you have 360 grams of flour and you have 15 cakes. And if I were to divide both sides by 15, I would get one cake and I would get 360 divided by 15 is 15 times 2 is 30 and 6 and 4, 24 gram. So one cake requires 24 grams of flour. And then I just went round and said, well, if you have 38 cakes, how much flour would you need? Well, you would need 38 multiplied by 24 and 38 multiplied by 24. Wait a second. I don't want to do it by hand. Is 912. So if you were to multiply, so you would get 912 grams of flour. So therefore, he doesn't have the required amount of flour because he has got 0.85 and John has 0.85 multiplied by 1,000, that is 850 gram of flour. So the answer is no, he doesn't have enough flour according to his recipe to make 38 small cakes.